My name's Stephen Keogh, and I'm a manufacturing engineer here. That consists of work instructions, improvement projects, and it could include the classic engineering being on AutoCAD SolidWorks, but I like that you're not doing that all day, every day. So a lot of it's dealing with people. The next day you could be helping out with a recruitment drive, so good variety in my job. My day starts, I have to run a report for the store's environment, just letting them know what their priorities are for the day. Then I come back in, we have a morning meeting, and I try to do a double work at that point, so AutoCAD or SolidWorks work. And then after that, my day really starts. And that consists of going out on the floor and helping the guys out, or creating work instructions for them to help us grow. So I moved to the area to be with family. As soon as I learned I was about to triple the amount of kids I was going to have, I moved to Maryland, and BW was a good employer in the area. When you meet people in the hallways, they've been here for 30 years, they've worked in this department, that department. There's a lot of room for growth, personal, so naturally people's interests change, and your job role can change too. If you keep your mind open, you'll stay interested.